to day 4 of Learn Python in 5 minutes a day. Today we're talking about data types in Python, basically the kind of data your variables can store. So we have opened our VS Code and a file called datatype.py here. Now, what are data types? Data types define what kind of value a variable holds. For example, numbers, text, or true or false values. Now let us see integer value stored in a variable, say for each. Okay, my age, or if you want to have a space here, we can add this one. My age equals 7. Then print. Now I want to know what type of data that is given in the variable my age. Print type my age. We'll see it later. Then we're gonna add another type of data, that is money. Say 17.98, and we're going to print what type of data that is. The type here, then money. Okay, so then we're going to see others data type as well, like name, and then print it as well. Type. Okay. We need to type here to get what type of data is given. Then say Boolean. Okay. Get it. Print type child. Okay. So let us see. If we run it, there's something. Okay. We're gonna put the variable here and the actual value, that is name. Okay. Let's see here. So it is showing that the first type of data given in variable my age, that is integer, and second one is float in the variable money, then string in the variable name, and boolean, that is and the variable my child. Okay. Different data types behave differently in operations. For example, you can add two numbers, but you can't directly add a number to a string without converting it. Let us see the both case. Print print my age plus 19. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so my age plus 19 is equal to 26. But we'll add two value of same data type. But what if we want to print two different types of data in one? Yes. Okay. Like let's say name plus money. It will give an error. So that's it for day 4. Tomorrow we'll learn how to convert between data types. We'll learn how to convert between data types and see how that's gonna output in our code. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss